welcome back to my channel. It's Janice Carito. I hope you all have an amazing week so far. I can't wait to share with you these amazing products by Heybuds. They have kindly sent these over to me, guys, and I am telling you, I am looking forward to try new skincare products, and I just can't wait to share with you guys and really see what it's like on my skin. So yeah, I'm super excited to try these and let you know my honest thoughts with this brand. So these are the #1 Australians and hemp seed. Can't wait to try them, guys. So yeah, guys, so let's go and check it out. But first things first, so guys, the package is just amazing. I'm just going to show you the package right now. So this is what I have received, and as you can see, it's super nice and green. Like, I really like the colours. I really love mint green. I think mint green is my other favourite colour. So yeah, guys, I'm looking forward to see what we've got. So they've actually sent quite a bit in here. So the box that I have is the Clear Skin All Stars. So this is the bundle, and you do get one of the free brushes in here. So if you guys want to check that out, my link is in the description box down below. So definitely check it out what I've got. And yeah, guys, let's go in right into there. I have got the Clear as Clay, hemp clay, as you can see. So this has got super nice healthy ingredients here, guys, and you know me, I'm really all about healthy skin, and you know my skin is so sensitive. I just really like to have everything that's just natural just put on my skin. So yeah, in here it does have oil, aloe vera, leaf juice, and witch hazel. Like, I love witch hazel, I think that is super nice. And also has green tea in here, and it does come with the free brush. So yeah, as you can see, guys, comes with the free brush, and yeah, super perfect. See, it just really repairs the skin. So as you can see, let's have a look. I'm loving the package. It just comes with the Heybud brand, and as you can see, let's just look at that. How nice, guys. I'm absolutely loving the colour already. It's got like really nice thick texture to it. And it's got a really nice, really beautiful scent. Like, it's not too strong or anything. It's really nice and subtle. So I really like that. And like I said, guys, all these are vegan, cruelty free. So yeah, guys, I'm absolutely loving the package. And then you do have the cute free brush into it, as you can see. There we go, guys. There is a nice brush here, super soft. Really love the brush. So next up we have the hemp gel cleanser. Like, honestly, guys, I've been needed to get some new cleanser for some time now, because I do have an old cleanser that I'm currently using, but I'm so glad I have finally got some nice cleanser that I'm really going to try, so I'm super excited. This has got green tea, grapefruit extract, salicylic acid, and hemp seed oil, and yeah, definitely reduces oily skin and dry skin, but this is suitable for all skin types. I do have a bit of the dry skin sometimes, and yeah, sometimes I do tend to break out a little bit here and there, but yeah, I'm super excited to really give this a go. So yeah, as you can see, there is the bottle. You do have, so yeah, hemp seed, green tea, super nice healthy ingredients in there, guys. Like, it's just super nice. Lovely smell. Definitely can smell the grapefruit in here. Like, it's really nice and fruity. Really can't wait to give this a go. Super excited. Next up, hemp gel moisturizer, guys. I am all about the moisturising after the finishing touch. Like, so it delivers 72-hour hydration and really brightens it up. So I really can't wait to use this. This is the package, and this is what it looks like. And as you can see there, guys, all the healthy ingredients in there. Absolutely love aloe vera, so yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this. And this is 100% glass, guys, so the packaging here is super nice. So next up is the 10% niacinamide hemp serum. Looking forward to using this. I am all about the serum. I absolutely love it. Definitely balance oil levels and improves texture skin for this one. And yeah, guys, healthy ingredients, cruelty free. So this reduces hypigmentation and protecting free radicals, and it definitely evens out your skin tone. But yeah, guys, I'm looking forward to really trying this. Yeah, guys, very subtle, not too strong. It's super perfect. So yeah, and you can definitely tell it's really nice and smooth. It does say it's smooth it all over, so I can definitely tell it's super smooth. Really looking forward to trying this. So definitely check out my blog, guys. The link is in the description box down below. I explain every single detail about why I love the product. Last but not least, Hemp acne patch. Sometimes I tend to break out here and there, and this is super perfect to actually just put in your bag, because sometimes when I do go out, it's like I do see like a little pimple or anything, I just kind of like, I feel like I kind of want to hide it. So this is super nice that you can just, wherever you go, put it in your bag. Super great for traveling. 48 patches in this. So yeah guys, this is literally what it looks like. And as you can see, it's really nice and clear. So even if you do put it on, you probably won't even notice it, even just for a little bit. So this is super handy. So I cannot wait to try these, guys. Super quickly absorb excess fluids, and yeah, definitely just gives that really nice skin repair. It definitely targets blemish and clears all the acne in your skin. These are known as the #1 in Australia skincare, and I am super excited. Like, I love new products, especially around the world. So I'm super happy HeyBud kindly sent these over to me, like just to share with you guys and show my honest feedback, and I am absolutely loving it already. Cannot wait to try these. But yeah guys, stick around because I am going to show you the before and after stages on how the skincare really does well with my skin. So yeah guys, and I absolutely love trying different types of skincare products around the world. Like, I just think it's super amazing. And yeah guys, I highly recommend. My link is in the description box down below. Definitely check it out, and I will leave a link with their Instagram. But yeah, let me know in the comments, what are your favorites from HeyBud? I would love to know. And yeah guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. So I'll catch you guys soon.